Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore the home screen layout and wallpaper from a backup in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now in accounts and backup, click on restore data. Now here click on your backup file to restore your home screen layout and wallpaper. Now from here select home screen, and after selecting home screen it will restore the home screen layout and wallpapers. So after selecting, click on restore. Now it will ask you to install backed up apps. So if you want to install, then tap on install, otherwise click on don't install, and then it will start restoring home screen layout and wallpaper from a backup. So that's how you can restore the home screen layout and wallpaper from a backup in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.